Today we replaced the water and ice filter on a GE Profile refrigerator. This GE Profile model is called Multi-Door Bottom Freezer Refrigerator. Easy filter replacement. The filter code is XWFE. As always, you'll find the links in the description below to all the parts and tools used in this video. The reminder to change the filter pops up here on the top right of the screen. More on this after we change the filter. Open the left barn door. Towards the bottom shelf, open the filter cartridge housing by pulling the door. And by the way, there's no water turn-off required to replace the cartridge. All you have to do is reach in and grab the rear part of the filter and gently pull it out until it unclips from the brackets here. Then spin the filter counterclockwise. It will only unscrew a quarter turn and you'll feel a shift away from the housing. Gently pull the filter and hold it upright, since it does have water in it, and put it upside down in the sink. A few water drops will come out, and which will fall in the tray below and can be wiped off later. Take the new filter. The ports on the filter cartridge holder here need to line up with the ports on the filter here. Another way to know the position to insert it is by lining up this arrow to the outside of the housing here. Gently insert the filter, slowly turn it to the right until it stops. Do not over-tighten as you turn the filter. It will automatically adjust itself into position. The filter will turn about a quarter until it cannot be turned, and the GE label faces outwards where the arrow was. Next, slowly swivel the filter into the clips. Double check for leaks. Close the cartridge housing by gently pushing the door closed until the tabs lock into place. Close the refrigerator door. Now to reset the filter change indicator. On this model, simply select either water or ice and the reset confirmation screen comes on. Simply confirm by pressing and holding the bar until 3 seconds counts down and the screen shuts off. You have now reset the filter warning. Now to purge the filter, simply run the water from the dispenser for 2 gallons to clear the system. Water may spit out at first as air bubbles goes through the system. Also note, it's normal for water to appear discolored during the first system flush. The water will return to normal after the first container is dispensed.
Look how dark that is.
You've now completed the filter change on your multi-door bottom freezer model refrigerator. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.